All right, so in this problem number 25, which is the last problem I want to do with you, this time they give you the angle A, and just to remind you which triangle we are talking about. We're talking about a triangle where you have A, B, and C, and that is the angle A, knowing that is considered as the side A, that is side B, and that is side C. So because they are giving you the angle A and the side B, you know that the cosinus of your angle A is going to be the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. They are giving you the adjacent side, which is B, lowercase b, so you can express C by itself. How do you express C by itself? Well, you can, let me do that for you right here. I'm going to choose another color. There we go. So we have a cosinus of my angle A equal B divided by C. So in order for you to have C equal, first of all, C needs to be on top and not on the denominator position. So for that, you are going to multiply by C both sides. And now C, divide that right here, but now you can see that C is on the top. You need to divide by cosinus of your angle A on the left side, and so you will have to divide by cosinus of your angle A on the right side, and this is how you end up to have B divided by cosinus A. Once you have C, using the Pythagorean theorem right here, you will express A. First of all, you subtract B squared to have A squared by itself, and then you take the square root to finally have C squared minus B squared. Once you have the value of A, B, and C, well, now you can just calculate the cosinus of your angle, B divided by C. You can calculate the sinus of your angle, A divided by C, as well as the tangent, the cotangent, the sec, and the cosec, sec being the inverse of your cosinus, and cosec being the inverse of your sinus. I'll let you do the calculation. Please be careful. In this problem, they are giving you the angle in degrees, so don't forget to put your calculator in degree. So be careful. If the angles are in degree, choose the degree mode with your calculator. But I would say it's the same thing if you were dealing with calculator. If you were dealing with an angle in radian, choose the radian mode with your calculator to do the appropriate calculation. All right, guys, so this session 4.4 is done, and I'm going to do the